ships there. One Disney. I don't know what that one be. They're at the Falmouth port. And that one might look like an MSC maybe. There are no signs of a strong tropical system. Headed no rain, sunshine, sun hot. There you have it. Keep you posted on the development of the storm, the tropical system. I don't know what the, I think that an MSC ship said right there. I'm not sure. But that one definitely a Disney one, as you can see. Probably not. The trees in the way. Alright, shalom, shalom. Tourists step on the road. Police, of course, always down at the port, pier, whatever, I forgot it. Alright, so their next stop, I got a progressive no trolley this with Americans with a cart. All of them full up midday. Like people not go work on nothing. Alright, brother, I say a storm come. Everybody in the supermarket. Couple of empties here from people at checkout lines. Not too long, but still. Rain supposed to start today, maybe tomorrow. Like a put. We'll see. Still sunshine and sun hot here. So shalom, shalom, mashbaka. And others. He got chicken panini, me tell you, it's nice and sweet. He got wings and things. Right here. That's why they got a cones there. Boy, glass into the road area. I tell them 7 vehicles and more shops right in front of RBO. Mirated. Alright. Jerky. He's not there, I know. About 5 o'clock you can catch a jerky there, so it ain't jerk chicken. at the farm store and get some feed, some supplemental feed for we goats and chicken and ray. My pala said they got some ramen lamb. So look up at farm store, daddy and there or auntie and there. If we can help it, this is where we are cook for food, where we feed. You ready for see daddy? Who in there, daddy or auntie? Hey, what's up, what? So that's how we're not coming here?
Hey. Yes, ma'am.
Opinion always a get sweetie. Always a get sweetie. Alright, shalom, shalom. Grand Turk, were you talking to me, Grand Turk? Well, you want to get big for me? Alright, later, Grand Turk. Come, Bobby. Lick a run. Whoa, boom. Hey, you don't have to scream though. Running sweet, not true. One foot in front of the other. A wiggle wiggle.